Welcome to Low Content Publishing Madness Lesson 1, the pros and cons of low content books. Well, what are the pros of making low content books? Well, first and foremost, I think this is why it's most attractive, is cheap to produce. You can easily produce a low content book for less than $50. I have at times made low content books for $32, $35, less than $40. And because it's such low cost, you can hit ROI very quickly if you are in a profitable enough keyword. Also, there's lower competition of self-publishers due to the barrier of entry. I should say the perceived barrier of entry, because once you learn how to do it, it is somewhat easy. And I'll teach you how to make it easy. In my opinion, this is a good model to get to your first $1,000. This was a pivotal part into getting me to my first $1,000. And then, of course, as you could guess, a lot of low content books are for kids. So Q4, November/December, you can make a killing off of your low content books. How about the cons? Well, there's a barrier of entry. This is going to be a pro and a con depending on how you want to view it, whether you think that the process to make it is easy or hard. So that's up to you. Keyword research, it can be tricky if you don't know how to search for it. Most people just don't know what types of low content books are out there, so it makes it hard, though I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research. Another con would be low royalties. That means you need high volumes of sales. If you were wanting to make lots of money with it, you are going to need to make lots of sales, the volume game. In addition to that, as you're getting more low content books, as it's easier to get more low content books, AMS, or advertising by Amazon, as it's now called, can get very cumbersome. It can take a lot of time to manage and to run efficiently. And then mindset. Mindset gets its own slide. It's attractive because it's cheap. Cheap things bring the cheap mindset. So do you want to have the rich or the poor mindset? It's up to you. Watch Ali Al Gore's video on it. It's really good, and I agree with the statements in there. So back to the 3K a month mark to make a lot of money, which is, $3,000 it's a good threshold to hit. You can almost quit your job at that point. That equals $100 a day. Okay, so here's the thing about low content books. Do you want to sell 30 to 50 copies a day at a $2 to $3 royalty, or would you rather have 10 to 20 books sold a day and have a $5 to $10 royalty? Much easier, much less stressful, less maintenance, all the above. I would take the latter. But to start off, to make your first $1,000, you could hit the former if you would like. So what's the proper mindset? Well, you need to understand that this is just a stepping stone. You will want to eventually shift to higher ticket books to be sustainable. So, is low content for you? Well, it depends on your mindset. Are you going to be willing to pay for good money? Are you willing to pay good money for quality low content books? Is the $35 too expensive? Maybe you need to spend $40, $50. Hey, I've spent $300 on one of my low content books, and hey, it was worth it. Also, are you trying to get rich quick? Low content book, like any publishing, it's not here to get rich quick. It's gonna suck. And now if low content book is not for you, join the Elite Keyword Mastermind. He gives you profitable keywords. My man Jacob Rothenberg, he gives you profitable keywords. So if you want to get normal nonfiction profitable keywords, get the Elite Keyword Mastermind. Thanks for watching. Next time we will be talking about the common types of low content books.